My name is Ashish Rahi, Assistant Professor in RPIIT Institute of Pharmacy, and today is my topic about ulcerative colitis. The ulcerative colitis starts in our colon, that is transverse colon, ascending colon, that is large intestine, appendix, rectum, and descending colon. These are the parts in which the ulcerative colitis may occur. And introduction, it is an inflammatory bowel disease that causes inflammation and ulcers in the digestive tract. It affects the innermost lining of large intestine and rectum. It can be debilitating and sometimes lead to the life-threatening complications. It has no known cure and treatment, but can be reduced by signs and symptoms of the disease and bring about long-term solution. It is an inflammatory bowel disease which causes irritation, inflammation, and ulcers in the lining large intestine. There is no cure, and people usually have symptoms off and on for life. But the right treatments can help to keep a handle on the disease, and patient can live a long life after their control over ulcerative colitis. These are the ulcerative colitis parts on which the ulcer can occur. That is the colon, rectum, sigmoid colon, ulcerative. These are in the lower section. You can see the ulcerative surface on the colon wall, and there is a continuous inflammation right below rectum. The risk factors for the ulcerative colitis are which affect the same number of women and men also. The risk factors may include age. The ulcerative colitis usually begins before the age of 30, but it can occur at any age, and some people may not develop the disease until after age 60. Race or ethnicity. Although whites have the higher risk of disease, it can occur in any race, and also in the family history or genetically disease is also a risk factor for the ulcerative colitis. Causes. The exact cause of ulcerative colitis are not known, whether diet and stress are the suspected, and now doctors know that these factors may aggregate blood role cause ulcerative colitis. What is the one possible cause? Immune system malfunctions, and heredity also seem to play a role in that. Ulcerative colitis is more common in people who have family members with the disease. Ulcer colitis pathophysiology. The pathophysiology of ulcerative colitis process usually confined to rectum and sigmoid colon. Inflammation leads to mucosal hemorrhage and abscess formation, which leads to necrosis and sloughing of bowel mucosa. Mucosa becomes red, friable, and ulcerated, and bleeding is common. The chronic inflammation leads to atrophy, narrowing, and shortening of colon. Types of ulcerative colitis are basically inflammation is confined to the area closer to the anus, and rectal bleeding may be the sign of disease. Proctosigmoiditis is the inflammation below the rectum and sigmoid colon, the lower end of the colon. Signs and symptoms include bloody diarrhea, abdominal cramps and pain, and inability to move the bowel in spite of urge to do so. Left-sided colitis is the ascended from the rectum through the sigmoid and descending colon. Signs and symptoms include bloody diarrhea, abdominal cramping, and pain on the left side, and urgency to defecate. Pancreatitis, it affects the entire colon and causes about bloody diarrhea that may be severe abdominal cramps and pain, fatigue, and significant weight loss. You can see the types of ulcerative colitis. That is, first is proctitis, in which only the rectal area, near rectal area is affected, and the proctosigmoids, you can see the upper hand of the rectal area sigmoid colon, and the distal colitis is slightly large part on the sigmoid colon, and the extensive colitis is approximately all area of large intestine except the right side, and the pancreatitis is the sphere ulcerative colitis, in which all area of large intestine got affected. So these are the causes, types and pathophysiology of ulcerative colitis.